So, hello dear friends. Today we see the pressure of radiation. So विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण प्रेशर ऑफ रेडिएशन बघणार आहोत. आता ह्या ज्या रेडिएशन्स आहेत आपण त्याला हीट रेडिएशन म्हणूया. आणि ह्या ज्या हीट रेडिएशन्स आहेत, तुम्ही जर एखाद्या सरफेसवरती इन्सिडेंट करता, देन त्या हीट रेडिएशन त्या सरफेसवरती काय करतात, प्रेशर अप्लाय करतात. दिस रेडिएशन exert a pressure on the surface. This concept is cleared in this derivation. When you incident any radiation on a surface, it exert a pressure on that surface. It may be small, but it create just like light rays. Light waves कशातून जर पास केल्या surface वरती, so they exert the pressure on the similar lines. The radiation also, heat radiation also, when you incident on any surface, it exerts the pressure on it. Now we have to prove this. Now, as you know that all the radiation are made up of photons. So, heat radiation, the smallest particle त्याला म्हणायचं photon. And that energy of that photon E is equal to h nu. ही energy असते तेवढी. H is Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of radiation. So this is E is equal to h nu. So this is energy of the photon. One single photon which we are incident on the surface. And also according to Einstein's energy relation, energy mass relation, E equal to mc square. So this equation 1 and 2. So you will get h nu equal to mc square, or m equal to h nu by c square. So this m gives the mass of the photon. So m gives the mass of the photon which we are interested in, single photon. And hence again we can say that by definition, and this is the velocity of that radiation. It may be velocity of light. So we can say that velocity of the radiation or velocity of that photon, we can say that. And hence we can say that the momentum of that photon is equal to, by definition, mass into velocity. So mass into, that is mc. So that is equal to h nu by c square into c. So p equal to, that is h nu by c. So this is the momentum of the photon which we exert on it. So we can say that. So what is this? H nu is nothing but the E. So I can write like this: E equal to E upon C. But simple expression. Q and value from equation 1. H nu equal to momentum of the photon which is moving with velocity c, P equal to P upon C, and hence total momentum. So that is total momentum, that is P equal to summation of all energy divided by C, or P equal to E upon C. So this is nothing but the total momentum exerted by the photon. So we can say that P equal to is momentum of the photon. So we can write here P equal to momentum of photon, P equal to E upon C. So this is one thing. So this is, we can put, this is equation 3. Now one thing is that आता इथं पुढं प्रेशरच्या वेळी पी आपण वापरणार, म्हणून आपण काय करूया की मोमेंटम ऑफ फोटॉन पुढं आपण प्रेशरला मोमेंटम ऑफ फोटॉन आणि त्या नुसतं इक्वल लिहू आपण परत प्रेशरसाठी पी वापरणार आहे. आणि हेच टोटल मोमेंटम, ह्याला काय म्हणूया टोटल मोमेंटम of radiation capital P करें, h nu by c or P equal to E by c, sorry, summation E by c. So here summation, so summation E is nothing but the total energy of the radiation. So that is P equal to E upon. So this is your equation 3. बघायचं आपण little bit change केलेलं आहे. So capital P equal to E by C. Now we assume that those radiations are incident normally on the surface PQ, which is perpendicular to this incident radiation, having surface area S. And suppose we can say that U be the energy density of the given radiation. U be the energy density of the energy radiation, that is the energy per unit volume. U be the energy density of the radiation. It means that energy per unit volume. The radiation energy density किती U आहे असं म्हणूया. And they are incident on the surface PQ normally. So we can say that the total energy crossing the surface area S is given by, so we can say that total energy crossing, so we can say that the total energy crossing the energy, the total energy crossing, so we can say total energy आपण असं म्हणूया E1 equal to crossing the surface area S, so is given by energy density U into area of the surface S and into velocity. It equation आहे. मग आम्ही काय मांडलंय, U is the energy density of the given radiation. This is amount of energy per unit volume. And let it is crossing the PQ surface having surface area S. Then by definition the total energy of the radiation crossing the surface S per second is given by E1 equal to USC. And therefore we can say that the total energy crossing the total energy crossing the surface or per unit surface area E is equal to E1 divided by S. I am calculating total energy per unit surface area. काय करायचं आहे, S फक्त डिवाइड करा. So you will get USC divided by S. So SS get cancelled. So E equal to UC. Now substitute this value of E in our equation. So P equal to UC divided by C. So C get cancelled. So P equal to U. So this P is nothing but the total moment of the radiation per unit area per substance, and it is nothing but it is called as pressure. It is also different. Oh, this P represents the total momentum per unit area per second. So the ultimate definition कशाचे आहे, प्रेशरचे. So P equal to U. So we can say that the pressure exerted by the given radiation is equal to the energy density of the radiation. So this is the pressure of radiation. ही momentum म्हणजेच pressure आहे, लक्षात घ्या. Total momentum per unit area per second. Total momentum of radiation per unit area per second is nothing but the pressure. Now this pressure P is equal to U. It means that when we incident any radiation normally on the surface, in that case the total pressure exerted by the radiation is equal to the energy density of the radiation, that is P equal to U. So this is the question. So this is same. So we'll stop here. Thank you.